the Lord of hosts, doth take away from Jerusalem and from Judah the stake and the staff, the whole state of bread, and the whole state of water, the mighty man and the man of war, the judge and the prophet, and the prudent and the ancient, the captain of 50, and the honorable man, and the counselor, and the cunning artificer, and the eloquent orator. And I will give the children to be their princes, and babes shall rule over them. And the people should be oppressed, everyone by another, and everyone by his neighbor. And the child shall behave himself proudly against the ancient, and the base against the honorable. When a man should take hold of his brother, of the house of his father, saying, Thou hast clothed him, be thou our ruler, and let this ruin be under thy hand. In that day shall he swear, saying, I will not be an healer, for in my house is neither bread nor clothing. Make me now ruler of the people, for Jerusalem is ruined, and Judah is fallen. Because the tongue and the doings are against the Lord, to provoke the eyes of his glory. The show of the countenance doth witness against them. And they declare their sin as Sodom. They hide it not. Woe unto their soul, for they have rewarded evil unto themselves. Say ye to the righteous, that they should be well with them, for they should eat the fruit of their doings. Woe unto the wicked, they shall be ill with him, for the reward of his hands shall be given him. As for my people, children are their oppressors, and women rule over them. O my people, they which lead thee, cause thee to err, and destroy the way of thy paths. The Lord standeth up to lead, standeth to judge the people. The Lord will enter into judgment with the ancients of his people, and the princes thereof. For ye have eaten up the vineyard, the spoil of the poor is in your houses. For I mean ye, did ye beat my people to pieces, and grind the faces of the poor, said the Lord God of hosts.